Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Hashmi. I came to see my friend here in North Carolina in High Point. His name is Mr. Iqbal. So I came to his house and I saw his garden. So I want to show you today that how he put this in this garden, how he put the plants in. So I'm going to ask him to come and show us what he did. My friend Iqbal Choudry. So I want to ask him about his garden. He has a beautiful garden which he is going to show us what he has put in, how he has put in. And let me go inside and I'm going to ask him about that. Joseph, show us about your garden. How did you make this garden?
So, this garden was started about 4 or 5 years ago. As you can see, there are about 12 boxes made from the wood.
Okay.
And right now there are different vegetables in it. And I'd like to show first this box. Here you see this green plastic paper, and in this plastic paper we have holes, small holes, and in these holes we can put the seeds of anything we want to grow. And the main purpose of these holes is that in this method weeds don't grow around the plants.
Gee.
And also you can save the water.
So what are these plants, this one?
So in this case, this is a squash.
Squash, okay.
Squash. And here we have zucchini.
Okay,
As you can see, they are quite spread out.
okay,
And this is our first box when we started. This was the first one.
okay.
Then we added, every year we added more boxes. So last two were added this year.
Okay,
And here we have another box. You can see tomato plants and also radish,
okay,
the red radish. And over there we have okra. Same again, we have green plastic paper with holes in it.
and these okras are also from the seeds?
These are from the seeds. So in each hole we can add 2 or 3 seeds. And depends if more than one grows, then we can remove them. So normally we keep only one plant per hole.
Okay,
Here we have chili
I see.
and more zucchini here. By the way, this is the water system. As we said before, water comes from the rain barrel. And there's a
So
pump
this
here.
water is from the rain barrel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it comes here. We can fill this barrel here for use, but also we can use
Like a water hose?
like water hose. Yes.
Okay. And what is this one? This looks like
This is
garlic.
And this was planted in September last year.
Okay,
And I think it will take another 1 month or so
okay.
before we can.
So you put like one little garlic, one piece?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah. Another thing with this garlic, if you have garlic in the yard, the rabbits don't come.
Yeah, they don't come because we have a screen over here.
A fence, yeah.
Fence, and within that we have
Little screen.
another deer fence, so they cannot go through the hole.
Okay.
Here we have again okras,
Okay.
and here these are, I think, melons. Yeah, these are melons which were.
Thank you very much for your garden tour.
Sure, you're welcome.
So I will come back when we got all the fruit on it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.